Phase 2 Payroll Co-Funding Scheme application. Before you start, please read the information provided on the first page and ensure that you have your bank name, sort code and account number, a copy of your bank statement dated in the last 3 months, your contact email address, your contact telephone number, your monthly gross income for 2019, your Social Security employer code, the full name of every worker, the Social Security number for every worker, April 2020 gross wages for each employee, and how much you have paid over the subsidy value to each employee. You should also know the SIC code that relates to your business activity. If you don't know this, then refer to the Payroll Co-Funding page on our website for guidance on finding it. There are 4 sections in the application: your business details, individual details or your employee information, your details, and the declaration section. Click Next for business details. Using the drop-down box, pick which sector you operate in. If you or your business operate in various sectors, you should pick the one that represents the majority, 51% or more, of your normal trade. Apologies. In this demo you cannot see the sectors, but when completing the form yourself, they will be visible to you. For the purposes of the demonstration, we will use wholesale and retail as an example. Choose the SIC code or Standard Industry Code, which is the description of your business activity. We will choose the sale of motor vehicle parts and accessories. Enter your full business or trading name. We will use a fictional business. And enter your business or trading address. You can search for your address clicking on this box, or if it's not listed, you can enter it manually. Enter your full address, choosing your parish and your postcode again. Now your business bank account details. Enter your bank's name, we'll choose Lloyds in this instance. Your sort code without hyphens. Your business bank account number. And the name of the account holder. Upload a copy of the front page of your bank statement. This must include the payee name, account number and sort code. Try to keep the file as small as possible in order for the application to be processed quickly. You can upload a photo or a JPEG file of your statement as long as it clearly shows all of the required information, payee name, account number and sort code. Once you have completed the upload, click Next. This takes you to the individual section. In this section, complete information on the number of owners or self-employed people and the number of employees you're claiming for. If you are the only person in the business, choose 1 here and 0 here and enter your Class 2 details. For the purposes of this example, we are assuming that there is 1 business owner and 3 employees. Add your Class 2 details here. So your first name, surname, Social Security number, and your average monthly gross income. In this demonstration, we are assuming that the business owner has earned £36,000 in 2019. Therefore, they would declare £3,000 as their average monthly income. Click Add Class 2 details. For your employees, there are 2 options, and I will demonstrate both. Confirm yes if you have paid the employees named on the claim the wages in April 2020 in accordance with the rules of the Phase 2 scheme. Enter your Social Security employer code here and enter your employees' details. You can use the template provided and then upload the template or enter the details manually. I'll enter them manually here. Enter your employee's information, first name, surname, social security number, and the gross earnings paid for the month of April. Click Add Employee Details. The system will automatically calculate the 80% contribution that you are claiming. You can then add additional employees. If you choose No, you are applying for the special exemption. Read the information carefully and tick the declaration boxes, and if relevant, provide additional information. Tick each box. You need to declare all removed funds from the business through dividends, drawings, loans or other means since the 31st of December 2019 as a condition of accessing the scheme. This information must be entered into this box. Click the remaining boxes. Provide any additional relevant information here and click on the Add Employee Details box. This first employee, you are unable to make any contribution to their wages for April. So add their information in here. First name, surname, and social security number. Their gross earnings for April were £1,600, and you were unable to make any contribution to that £1,600. Therefore, the amount you are claiming for is £1,600. Add employee details. Our next employee, you were able to make some contribution, but not the full 20%. In Adam's case, he's a part-time employee. We enter his information. And his gross earnings for the month of April were £1,000, and you were in a position to make £100 contribution. So the amount claimed for would be £900. And our final employee is Mia. We add Mia's information, and her gross earnings for April were £1,800, and you made a contribution of £200. Therefore, the amount you can claim for is £1,600. And we click the Add Employee Details. That's our employee information completed, and we move on to the next section. And this is your details. You enter your information, your first name, your surname, the email you wish to be corresponded on for the payroll scheme, your contact telephone number, and your position within the business. Click Next to go on to the next section, which is the declaration area. Read through the declaration carefully, understanding the details. Once you are clear about the content, tick all of the boxes. Read through the declaration of truthfulness and tick the box. Submit your application.